Here's a look at these fence post brackets right here. This is how they came packaged in this cardboard, and they arrived in really nice condition. There's no dents, no scratches, nothing at all. And they each have this pointed end right here, which is definitely sharp enough to slam right down into the ground and should stay in there really well. And then you've got some holes right here to drill into your post. And so this will definitely, if you get this solid into the ground, put some screws through here and drill it into your post, it'll definitely brace your post and give you way more stability. Here's a look at the other one. You can see it also has this pointed end, and just like the other one, came in great condition, not a single scratch, not a single little dent anywhere. So, and they have quite a bit of weight to them. So yeah, with these installed correctly, will definitely do a great job at giving a lot of support and a lot of strength to a fence that, if it needs it, it'll definitely help. Even if it doesn't need it, it will definitely prevent a lot of issues in the future. It will prevent your fence from weakening, slipping, tipping over a little bit, all that stuff. So great products right here, well built. The welds on them are really nice welds, so it really is just a solid product right here that will do wonders for your fence.